Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Kia Sedona battery. First, gather your tools, including a 10 mm wrench, a 12 mm socket, an extension, and a battery terminal brush. Make sure your replacement battery is the correct group size for your Sedona. Always prioritize safety by wearing protective eyewear and gloves before you begin any work. Now let's disconnect the old battery. Open your hood and locate the battery. Using your 10 mm wrench, loosen and remove the negative terminal cable first. This is crucial for safety. Next, disconnect the positive terminal cable. Finally, use your 12 mm socket and extension to loosen and remove the battery hold-down clamp, which secures the battery in place. With the old battery removed, it's time for the new one. First, clean the battery tray and the cable terminals to ensure good contact. Carefully lower the new battery into the tray, making sure it's seated correctly. Reinstall the battery hold-down clamp and tighten it securely. Now, connect the positive terminal first, followed by the negative terminal. To finish up, apply a thin layer of anti-corrosion grease to both battery terminals. This helps prevent rust and ensures a longer lifespan. Double-check that all connections are tight and secure, and that the battery is firmly held in place. Close the hood, then start your Kia Sedona to confirm the new battery is working correctly. You've successfully changed your battery.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.